Good morning, students. In this class, we are going to discuss about digestion of carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids. That is a part of chapter 1. Okay, so let us see the main components of the food. The main components of the food. The main components of the food are three. Okay, first one is the carbohydrates. First one is the carbohydrates. Okay, second one is the proteins, and third one is the fats or lipids. So first of all, you have to know the basic units of these carbohydrates made up of sugars. Okay, and proteins made up of the basic units called amino acids, and the fats are lipid made up of fatty acid plus glycerol. Okay, fatty acid plus glycerol. Now let us see how the digestion of carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids takes place. First of all, digestion of carbohydrates. First one, digestion of carbohydrates. Okay, during digestion of carbohydrates, first of all, okay, starch change into maltose. Okay, starch is a polysaccharide sugar. Okay, and the maltose is the disaccharide sugar. Okay, and this maltose further broken down into the basic unit, that is glucose. And this glucose is an example of monosaccharide sugar. Okay, how the starch change into maltose in presence of enzyme called cellular amylase secreted from salivary gland. This it is also known as ptyalin. Which help in the breakdown of starch into maltose, or you can say polysaccharide sugar into disaccharide sugar. Okay, di means number of sugars are 2. Number of molecules of sugar are 2. Poly means many, and mono means only one sugar molecule. Okay, and this maltose further broken down into glucose under the action of enzyme called pancreatic amylase present in the pancreatic juice. So this is the digestion of carbohydrates. So first of all, starch change into maltose change into glucose. Now let us see the digestion of proteins. You know well that proteins are the polymer of amino acids, and number of amino acids combine together with the help of peptide bond and form the protein. Now let us see how the digestion of proteins takes place. So first of all, this protein molecule change into a short chain of amino acids known as peptides or peptones. And this short chain of amino acids further broken down into the basic unit of protein, that is known as the amino acids. Okay, here protein change into peptides under the action of pepsin and HCl. This pepsin and HCl help in the breakdown of proteins into short chain of amino acids, that is called peptides or peptones. Okay, further this short chain of amino acids broken down into amino acids in presence of enzyme called, that is trypsin, present in the pancreatic juice. HCl and pepsin present in the gastric juice, whereas the trypsin present in the pancreatic juice, which help in the breakdown of peptides or peptones into amino acids. Okay, now let us see the third one, digestion of fats or lipids. Digestion of fats. It is made up of fatty acid and glycerol. So first of all, fat molecule, a large fat molecule change into small globules known as emulsified fat. Emulsified, or you can say the lipid molecule or fat molecule change into emulsified lipid. Okay, and this emulsified lipid, that is, suppose that this is a large molecule of lipid, it will broken down into small globules. Okay, small globules. This process is called emulsification. This process is called emulsification. What is emulsification? The process by which the lipid molecules change into small globules under the action of bile salts, or you can say bile. This bile help in the emulsification of lipids into emulsified lipid, that is small globules of the lipids. And finally this small emulsified lipid broken down into fatty acid and glycerol. Fatty acid plus glycerol. Okay, in presence of enzyme lipase. Okay, so how the digestion of lipids takes place? First of all, the lipid molecule change into small globules, that is known as the emulsified lipids, under the action of bile, that is secreted by liver, and finally this emulsified lipid change into the fatty acid and glycerol in presence of enzyme lipase, that is present in the pancreatic juice. Now this is all about the digestion of proteins, lipids and carbohydrates. Thank you.